Glass chimes, electric piano, gentle fading, turquoise light so pure, a feeling I can't cure, peace that will endure. The water glows in turquoise like a jewel beneath the sun. The peaceful aqualight makes all my scattered pieces one. I stand here mesmerized by shades of blue and green combined. The tranquil turquoise glow becomes the salve for my worried mind. The color heals my eyes, it clears away the lies beneath these peaceful skies. Tranquil turquoise glow washing over me. The peaceful aqua light is all I need to see. Every shade reminds me that the world can still be pure. Here beside this water, beauty is the cure. The light reflects and dances on the surface, soft and bright. The turquoise holds a magic that can turn the dark to light. I let the color fill me from my toes up to my head. The tranquil turquoise glow becomes the thing that I am fed. The glow becomes my guide, it pulls me to its side where peace will always reside. Tranquil turquoise glow washing over me. The peaceful aqua light is all I need to see. Every shade reminds me that the world can still be pure. Here beside this water, beauty is the cure. Maybe beauty heals the soul, the colors make us whole. That's the water's role. Final chord, ethereal, generational, luminous, peaceful. Tranquil turquoise glow, I'm bathing in your light. The peaceful aqua color makes my heavy spirit bright. Every shade reminds me that there's magic I can see. Here beside this water, turquoise sets me free. Turquoise light, so pure, a feeling I can't cure. I can't cure. Healing ocean waves, jazz piano gentle, bass walk slow. The tide is going down, no rush without a sound. Peace is all around. The evening tide is slowly pulling backward from the shore. The day is winding downward and I don't need any more. I watch the water quietly descend into the night. The evening tide reminds me that it's time to dim the light. The tide knows when to rest, it knows what's always best. to gently acquiesce. Evening tide descent, teaching me to slow. The ocean shows me how to let the daylight gently go. Every wave that softens tells me I can rest my head here beside the water. Peace is where I'm led. The sunset paints the ocean in the softest shades of gold. The tide continues falling like a story being told of how the day must always find its way to peaceful end. The evening tide descent becomes my most devoted friend. The tide won't fight the night, it knows to dim its light, and everything's alright. Evening tide descent, teaching me to slow. The ocean shows me how to let the daylight gently go. Every wave that softens tells me I can rest my head here beside the water. Peace is where I'm led. Maybe endings aren't so sad when the day we've had descends and makes us glad. Final chorus, full jazz, ensemble gentle, warm, smoky, peaceful. Evening tide descent, I'm learning how to close. The ocean shows me how to end the day and find repose. Every wave that softens tells me I don't have to dread. Here beside the water, peace becomes my bed. The tide is going down, no rush, without a sound. Oh, evening waves and piano, peace is where I'm led. Barely audible waves, soft bells, kalimba, delicate fade in the water has no ripple, like glass without a stipple. Peace is clear and simple. The ocean surface stretches out like perfect polished glass. Not even wind can disturb it as the quiet moments pass. I see the sky reflected in this untroubled or clear. The mirror sea reminds me that true peace can live right here. The surface knows no stress, just pure and perfect restfulness. No more and nothing less. Untroubled water surface showing me my face. The mirror sea reflection holds me in its grace. Every still moment tells me that the calm is always near. Here beside this quiet water, there is nothing left to fear. I watch my own reflection looking back at me with peace. The water holds my image without judgment or critique. The untroubled surface teaches me to be as still as this. The mirror sea becomes my meditation and my bliss. The surface doesn't move, it has nothing left to prove. It's found its peaceful groove. Untroubled water surface showing me my face. The mirror sea reflection holds me in its grace. Every still moment tells me that the calm is always near. Here beside this quiet water, there is nothing left to fear. Maybe stillness is the art of reflecting your own heart without falling apart. Final chorus for gentle intention. Baby, stillness is the art of reflecting your own heart without falling apart. Final chorus for gentle center tension. Echo peaceful wise, untroubled water surface. I'm as calm as you. The mirror see reflection shows me what I need to do. Every still moment tells me I can be like glass here beside this quiet water. I will let the worries pass.